Welcome to our channel. This video is about LinkedIn. LinkedIn is by far the most professional social network on the internet. Every graduate must be on LinkedIn because it is always regarded and praised as a social media for professionals. Now, this means that graduates must be on LinkedIn because many recruiting agencies use LinkedIn to find the right candidate for their clients. And in addition, they also get to know those candidates more deeply. LinkedIn allows the recruiters to have a more personal approach to the whole recruitment process. Now, there is one big question: how to get noticed? First and foremost, the thing a graduate must do is to create a profile and then enter all the required information about yourself. This information can be things such as your personal details, your academic qualifications, your past experiences, your soft skills, obviously any project you have done, and anything else you think is necessary. A graduate has to enter everything relevant to his career path on LinkedIn. Every little bit of information will more likely add value to the personal profile. And if you want to get noticed on LinkedIn, here are some tips that you need to follow. Number one, you must add a professional picture and avoid blurry images or with backgrounds other than blue or white. You should, if possible, post a headshot with a plain background picture. The best tip is to get a bright picture, is to put a white paper on your lap to get some help with the lighting. Number two, another tip for getting noticed on LinkedIn is to add the previous job details. Now, you should write about what you did there and how you liked it. Write as much relevant information as you can, even if you did an internship. Number three, your profile must be unique and contain everything that gives out a more personal feeling about you, meaning that your bio must not be more than 150 words, but it must cover everything that makes it easier for the recruiting agencies to assess you better. Number four, endorsements and references really work like a charm. Always ask people to endorse you based on your skills, and of course, always make sure that they write a quick reference whenever they can. These things really do go a long way and really do brighten up your image in front of the recruitment agency or, of course, in front of a company's HR department. To make the most out of LinkedIn, you should always have a complete LinkedIn profile, and you must try as much as you can to get in contact with other users from LinkedIn. These can be your university teacher, friends, and recruiters. You must also try as much as possible to join the LinkedIn groups. Here you can share ideas and industry-related news. Of course, do not self-promote yourself on LinkedIn. Instead, show your expertise in what you can do. Remember, the world is full of possibilities and opportunities. That is why you should always look for new hires or new opportunities. Lastly, always remember that honesty really is the best policy. And that is why you should remain honest and avoid overselling yourself at all costs. Happy job hunting! If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.